So along with the Mi 10 Ultra, Xiaomi also took the wraps off from the new Redmi K30 Ultra. This is the third smartphone which comes under Redmi K30 series, and in fact this is the best device in the segment. This is not a full-fledged flagship, but still it comes with really amazing specs. The Redmi K30 Ultra looks exactly like the Redmi K30 Pro. However, this device packs some upgraded hardware compared to those of the K30 Pro. The back of the phone has a very eye-catching design with a reflective gradient look. The phone has a glass back which feels quite premium, and the overall look is very clean. Like the K30 Pro, it also has a circular camera module which houses 4 camera lenses. Below the setup there is a dual tone flash. It comes in 3 color variants, and here are mint green and midnight black versions, and both of them looks really great. Let me know which one you prefer in comments. I think the black looks more classic and the shiny surface is making it more beautiful. The size of the device is also not that large, and it is quite lightweight too. But overall, it is like a clone of Redmi K30 Pro in terms of appearance. The camera setup includes a main 64 megapixel sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel tele macro camera, and a 2 megapixel portrait depth sensor. The device comes with a metallic frame which is quite sturdy, but the phone skips a headphone jack which is quite disappointing. There is a slim body and hence it feels quite good in hands, and I really like the build quality of this device. The cameras of this phone are really good, and we will try to share some of its camera samples via community post. It also has a 20 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. It is worth mentioning that the phone also comes with a tele macro lens capable of taking excellent macro shots. Here are some official camera samples. The Redmi K30 Ultra has a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution. The display also comes with up to 1200 nits of brightness and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. And you are also getting HDR10 Plus support for better and vibrant colors. The display supports 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. So you can able to enjoy ultra smooth and responsive high frame rate gaming on this device. The Redmi K30 Ultra is powered by MediaTek's flagship Dimensity 1000 Plus 5G processor, and it is worth mentioning that the chip is built on a 7nm process. It is not as powerful as the Snapdragon 865 chip, but there is not a big difference. The phone has scored over 530,000 points on Antutu benchmark, and it is around 50% more powerful than Snapdragon 765G, the chip present on the OnePlus Nord. The phone also comes with ultra large area vapor chamber along with a graphene plus graphite 3D heat dissipation system which ensures stable gaming performance even after long usage. The phone offers up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 512GB of UFS 2.1 storage. In addition, it has a 4500 mAh of battery with 33W fast charging. The interface here is powered by MIUI 12 based on Android 10, and it also comes with an IR blaster and stereo speakers. So yes, this phone has some really high-end specs, and it comes with a very reasonable price tag. The phone starts at only $280 price tag, and that's something really impressive. Anyways, thanks for watching. That's all for this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.